Ratty. Ratatouille, where are you going?
Get back.
Wrong way. Maybe he's not going to do it now.
You little shit.
See the wild rat.
Go back in the pants. Come on. No.
Maybe he's not going to do it.
He's like freaking out. Look at him.
No, he's going to hide.
No.
Oh, you're not going to go in my pants now?
Aww. Get in the pants. Stop sniffing my crotch and go below the pants.
That sounds wrong.
You panty sniffer. My rat's a panty sniffer.
I guess so.
He's going in. Or
Where's he going? Oh, he's outside my diagram. Like, where the hell did he go?
As soon as I turn this off, he's going to run back in.
He's trying to get on my shoulder.
The rat.
My hood? Or is that just on my hood? He likes pockets.
Yeah.
Hey, now he's going in the...
Okay.